Hello world! Trust, honesty and respect are the building blocks for love. Typically, when two people met and are trying to get to know each other, they start with the mindset of love and affection after all. That's what we want so that we feel happy, safe, and have connection. However, this can lead to serious problems and cracks in the foundation of the relationship. Why? Because we are making decisions based on how we feel and what we want instead of creating agreements, boundaries, and a healthy relationship dynamic. Love is about calm, surrender, opening the mind and heart so we are in a relaxed state instead of judging, resisting, avoiding, or being aggressive. You simply cannot have connection with honesty. Take one of those away and you will have lost all three, and with it, the love. Trust and respect have to be earned and they cannot be earned without honesty because honesty means you are strong and courageous enough to speak truth and not withhold in order to protect yourself or what you want. When both people in the relationship are showing up with calm, confidence, and assertive energy, then it builds trust, respect, and balance in the relationship, and then love is being fed and nurtured with the right intention and energy. By Joel Clemons. Anna, to the other destination. Keep safe and enjoy. On the post of Anna, she is going somewhere as she captioned it with, "My dearest Berlin, I'm coming back, Ama." As we all know, Berlin is the greenest city in Europe. The German capital has more parks and green spaces than any other city in Europe, with around one-third of the city consisting of parks, forests, and gardens. The most famous of these green spaces is the Tiergarten, also known as the lungs of the city. Berlin is the city of art, artists, and museums. In fact, precious artifacts from all over the world are showcased at more than 170 museums here, some of which can be found on the internationally new Museum Island. Berlin enjoys a lower cost of living than many of its European counterparts. It is agreeable, one of the cheapest part of Germany, and might be the most affordable city in Western Europe. Anna taking her breakfast at Hotel Indigo Berlin at East Side Gallery. Who loved this lipstick color? Me, I love it, as Anna heading on her way for outfit fittings. Girls are happy, taking their time for the fitting at Michelle Berger Hotel of their outfit for tonight event as they are all excited for the marking show event. Here's Anna now on her dashing glamorous style at marking show as she said, "Marking, what a show! It's always so lovely to be in the family. Thank you for having me." The debonair Anna, walking like a queen. On Anna's story, she captioned it with, "Unbelievable that I started following Mel Sylvia Mar month ago and today we met each other randomly in Berlin. Souls know when to meet each other. Shine beauty." You are true, Anna, that you are grateful to have most beautiful girls like friendship like this. As cuties and beauties like all of you, as to one of them caption it with, "I'm so grateful for my friends. Cheers for more nights like this." Simone, where are you this time? He is now in London, United Kingdom. Simone attending the event of Precious Kadari Jewelry as to Simone, the always best jewelry for him. And not only that, Simone at fashion event, Boss, 71 Jean by Mert Talas. A job well done, Simone.
It's job. Yeah, it's also part of our music, and that's the thing we're finishing for. But even though it's not.
Simone do his daily workout as he is staying at Bulgari Hotel, London. Next destination of Simone, Madrid, Spain. When Simone in London, attend the Mert Alas, Boss, 71 Jean, it's really a night to remember. Simone start his day in Madrid with this energetic day filled with the glowing sunshine. Good morning to Simone. Oh la la, as always as ever, as dashing Simone was, I prepared this aura looks of Simone. Do you also like it, guys? Great, 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 Simone. Just feel your vitamin D first thing in the morning. On the story of Michele, as on his road travel time, he play background music of his own song, Muara. As to the meaning of the song, it is a heartfelt song for someone. It's a tribute to someone special. Muara song with the same love a child feels for their mother. The song includes lyric about being lost, screaming, and drinking tears. It includes lyrics about how someone will be there when all the rain falls into stars and when the dark falls into shine. Happy for you, Michele, as you are starting to roll the camera for the housemaid movie of yours as you are taking your shooting time. Enjoy your work as they say, 1, 2, 3, ready, action. Just always keep it up. Michele, are you sure? Are you okay with your body workout now? Take a look at him closer, guys, and be the one to help Michele to think if he is doing right on his body workout. And to my opinion, I'll prepare the body looks of Michele when he was at the 365 days times. Yeah, Michele, what's going on there? Michele is with Two Feet music artist and Joni, another musician who is a Russian singer and a songwriter. He also a judge, coach to a well-known reality television singing competition broadcast on channel on which is The Voice Kids in Russia. It's nice to know if Michele will do some developing or enhancing or do some coaching on his singing career. Go for it, Michele! The latest story post of Michele, he posts a poem which is saying there is an angel who burns with ardor as he flies free in the unknown secrets of heaven. Every now and then, from those flames that vulgarly continue their work, the question comes to life. Will the memory of 10 kisses be enough to chase away those disgusting 11 contenders who have nothing to do with the 2022 years of love that Angel has long been waiting for? I don't think so. However, fear not, the 33 swords are always ready to the battle because he, you think and like Quasimodo in the shadow he protected his beloved gypsy. To the latter, in the darkness of its flame, he sees her. Do you analyze what I analyze? And also to the other fan page of him, is it true that the poem is for Muara based on the analyzation of his tattoo for her? On Ruba's story as she was listening to Spotify, the song running as the meaning of the song is about the complicated feeling of whether she needs to run away or stay in the relationship, and whether it is worth visiting. The song explored the internal struggle of a tumultuous relationship. The lyrics depict the conflict between the desire to escape and the pain of staying, questioning the worth of the sacrifices made for love. The repetitive theme of running symbolizes the continuous emotional turmoil and the haunting question of whether staying is worth the price. Thank you for watching my video today. Comment your reaction below. Don't forget to click the like button, share this video to others, and please subscribe on my channel. Day 32 of the 365 days of 2025. A message to all. Everyone will agree that trust is one of the most important requirements for a happy and healthy relationship. And we all desire to be trusted, but trust is something that has to be earned through time and effort. It can't just be expected because we say that we deserve it. In fact, most people will get very upset if their partner says that they don't trust them, and this crucial topic has caused a lot of relationships to fail. When a person applies these practices into their everyday interaction, they will develop self-control and be able to be emotionally present and available to their partner when they need their love and support the most instead of being emotionally reactive or defensive. Trust is felt the most deeply when our vulnerability is rewarded with respect, connection, and safety. When we are struggling with our thoughts or feelings, we have a tremendous need for reassurance and validation. We want to feel safe and cared for, not isolated or punished. We can put aside our experience, opinions, feelings, and judgment and just listen to understand, validate their experience and feelings, and stay connected to them emotionally through it all. Then we are demonstrating the strength of our character, love, and commitment. We are earned the trust that creates and sustains the love that keeps the relationship alive and strong. By Joel Clemons.